Have you ever wished you had a natural remedy on hand for those times when your immune system needs a boost? Well, today we're making Fire Cider, a traditional, spicy tonic that's been loved for generations. It's warming, energizing, and packed with ingredients that help the body stay strong, especially during the colder months. And the best part? You can make it right in your own kitchen. Fire cider is a kind of herbal vinegar infusion, sharp, spicy, and a little tangy. It was popularized in the 1970s by herbalist Rosemary Gladstar, though its roots go much deeper in folk medicine traditions. The idea is simple. Steep powerful, immune-supportive foods and herbs in raw apple cider vinegar. Let it infuse, and then strain it into a tonic you can sip, add to food, or even mix with honey for a sweeter kick. Why it works? The magic of Fire Cider lies in its ingredients. Each one has its own set of benefits. Apple cider vinegar itself helps with digestion, supports gut health, and provides a tangy base that extracts nutrients from the herbs. Onions and garlic are rich in compounds like allicin, which have natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. Ginger and horseradish bring heat and circulation support, great for clearing sinuses and boosting blood flow. Hot peppers, like jalapeno or cayenne, add capsaicin, which stimulates metabolism and helps warm the body. Turmeric adds anti-inflammatory power, while citrus fruits like lemon or orange brighten the flavor and provide vitamin C. And if you finish with a drizzle of raw honey, you get soothing antibacterial sweetness that balances the vinegar's sharp bite. Put all of these together, and you've got a natural tonic that supports the immune system, helps fight off colds, and can even aid digestion. Here's how to make your own Fire Cider at home. Start with a clean quart-sized mason jar. Add 1 medium onion, chopped, several cloves of garlic, crushed, a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger, grated, a piece of horseradish root, grated, 1 or 2 hot peppers sliced, the zest and juice of 1 lemon or orange. Optional extras: turmeric root, rosemary, thyme, or even cinnamon for a warming twist. Once your jar is full of all these vibrant aromatic ingredients, pour raw apple cider vinegar over the top until everything is submerged. Seal the jar with a non-metal lid. Vinegar can corrode metal, and store it in a cool, dark place. Shake it gently once a day. Now comes the waiting part. Let it infuse for about 3 to 4 weeks. After that, strain it through cheesecloth, pressing out all the liquid. What you're left with is your Fire Cider tonic. At this point, many people like to stir in a few tablespoons of raw honey to taste. How to use it? You don't need much. Fire cider is strong. Most people take 1 or 2 tablespoons daily as a preventive measure during cold and flu season. If you feel a scratchy throat or sniffles coming on, you can take a little more. It's also delicious splashed into salad dressings, added to marinades, or even stirred into warm tea with honey for an extra immune-boosting kick. Because it's vinegar-based and spicy, Fire Cider may not be for everyone. If you have acid reflux, ulcers, or a sensitive stomach, start with very small amounts or consult with your healthcare provider first. And of course, it's not meant to replace medical care. Think of it as a supportive, traditional remedy to strengthen your body's natural defenses. So there you have it. Fire Cider, a zesty, fiery tonic that's as empowering to make as it is to sip. Not only does it bring you closer to herbal traditions, but it also offers a natural way to support your immune system throughout the year. Try making a batch this week, and let me know how you like it. And if you enjoyed this recipe and want more natural living tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Stay well and stay fiery.